there a way to target demographic age groups?
Correct. Yes. So in this list here, this list you can go like target your demographic. For an example, if you're looking at Facebook, if we want to create an ad for you, you can actually target, if you're, say your competitor has a Facebook page, you can target your ads. So anytime their fans or their likes open up their profile page, your ad's right there. You can go by age, by sex, by what is their job description, you can go by anything. Any state, anything of that nature. So for example, for the seminar, I did a Facebook ad, and I localized Mankato, Southern Minnesota, marketing, etc. So yeah, definitely you can go deep into it. The same with Twitter as well. A lot of them don't have that capability yet, because it takes a lot of servers to do it, but Facebook does have it.